Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the file type of a file in Windows 11. To get started, just go into the Windows Start bar and type in File Options and click on the File Explorer Options menu item. The File Explorer Options dialog window will now open up. Now click on the View tab. From here, uncheck the option for Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Now, click on the OK button. Here, on my desktop, you'll see that I have a file called photo1.bmp. In today's example, we're going to change this file type to a JPEG file type. To do this, right-click on the file and click on the Rename menu option. The file name and type will now be editable. As you can see, the file is currently set to a .bmp file. Now, if we replace .bmp with .jpeg, and hit the Enter key, this confirmation window will now display, informing us that the file may become unusable. Click on the Yes button. And now you can see that the file has changed to a .jpeg file. And it's as easy as that. Changing the file type of a file in Windows is a simple task to perform. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.